Hey everyone! To make your own bunnies out of rope, you want to start by putting hot glue near the end of the longest part of the rope. Then you want to fold the end of the rope onto the glue, and make sure you're careful because the glue is hot. Once the glue has dried, you can put hot glue on the same side of the rope you put hot glue earlier, and then you can place the rope on the glue. Then you want to keep repeating the same steps until you like the size of the circle that you're making for the head of the bunny. A few tips I have is that you can lay the rope down and glue it together on a silicone pad, because that will help the glue not go to the front and the glue won't stick to it. Also, you want to make sure you don't add too much glue because you might be able to see it on the front. Once you like the size of the circle, you want to cut the rope and make sure the end of the rope is glued down. You can also clean up the edge of the circle by trimming the thin strands off. When you're done, you can cut two pieces of rope that are the same size, and each rope will be for one ear. After you cut the rope, you want to put hot glue on both ends of one of the pieces of rope, and then you want to put the ends of the rope on the edge of the circle in the shape of an ear. Once the glue has dried, you want to repeat the same steps for the second ear. Now if you want, you can decorate the bunny ears, and you can do this by putting hot glue on the back of one of the ears. Then you can flip it over and place the ear on a piece of ribbon or fabric. When the glue is dry, you can trim off the excess and repeat the same steps for the second ear. Now the last thing you can do is that you can tie a bow out of lace or something else and glue it down. That's how you make your own rope bunnies. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!